Hi everyone, let's grow this chicken together. So remember I posted a clip of this and you were all asking for a recipe. I totally forgot to edit the video and post, but then someone had to remind me last night to do that and here it is. So in my bowl I'm going to add some chili pepper, chicken blend, barbecue grill mix, paprika, some thyme, onion powder, salt and seasoning, of course. You can't omit that. Give everything a good stir, adding some vegetable oil, lime juice, very important. And of course, I'll be adding some ginger and garlic paste and this all-purpose marinade from Billy Ona Spices and Herbs. Do check her out. So give everything a good stir and set aside. Now back to my chicken, I'm going to do a salt pepper rub. This will help my salt and pepper enter the chicken because I love my chicken spicy. Add that marinade, give it a very good mix, massage it very well. At this junction I forgot to make incision, so I did that and also massage that chicken. After that I'm going to cover and marinate this for as long as you have. Marinated mine for more than 12 hours and this is me popping it in the air fryer. This is how it looks after grilling. Guys, this was so succulent, so yummy and well seasoned. Bye.